So the database hierarchy kind of is not in the book. At least I haven't seen it yet. And the database hierarchy just sort of, from a macro scale down to the very smallest scale, captures what we're doing, the framework we're using for organizing and bringing order to massive amounts of data. Okay? That's what the database hierarchy does. It's a framework for allowing us to understand how we organize and bring order to massive amounts of data. And we are talking about massive amounts of data. Where you go, who you talked to, who you texted, where you ate, who your friends are, what you posted, what your friends posted. Massive amounts of data. What you purchased, when you purchased it. It's crazy. And it's massive. So this is a framework, the database hierarchy, that allows us to organize and bring order to massive amounts of data. And it kind of allows us to see at the largest scale what's the tool down to the smallest scale. And the database hierarchy starts out with a database. So a database is the largest level. And a database is made up of tables. Those could sometimes be called different things. Don't let that trip you out. If you get into the world of NoSQL and you work with data store on Google Cloud, they call them kinds. Put them into a different kind. There's different kinds. Well, that kind of makes sense in a way. Different kinds of related data. Here's the customer data. Here's the movie data. Right? And different systems might have different names. But the most common name is it's a table. So a database is made up of tables. What are tables made up of? Records. Yeah, for those of you who've been in my 15 class. Databases are made up of records. Right? We're going to have Todd McLeod. We're going to have Luis. We're going to have, I can't read my own handwriting, Jeremy and Edwin and Joseph and Tu and Angel and Justin. We're going to have different records in this table. So a database would be made up of these tables here, customers, rentals, movies. And then the customer table will be made up of different records. Right? Different customers. Tables are plural. When we name tables, they're plural. And then we have database, we have tables, we have records. What are records made up of? What are these things? ID, movie name, rating, length. What are those things? We call those fields. Right? So a record is made up of fields. First name, last name, credit card, address, phone number. And then fields are made up of characters. The letter A, the letter B, the number 4, asterisk sign, the @ symbol. All right, so fields contain characters. So database contains tables, tables contain records, records contain fields, and fields contain characters. From the largest level down to the smallest level. You know, from all of the data in the entire world, or on Facebook, or whatever your system is, which is the database, down to a single individual character that's in a single field, that's in a single record, that's in a single table. Right? So that's the framework we use to organize and order massive amounts of data. The database hierarchy. Anybody have any questions? How many people are getting their money's worth? That's it? Like, put your hand up if you're getting your money's worth. Like, okay, this is worth waking up for. This is worth registering for class. This is worth, like, coming to campus. This is worth the fees so far. Like, I'm actually learning something. Put your hand up. I got to see it. Because if your hand's not up, I'm going to ask you, why aren't you getting your money's worth? What do I need to do different? This is customer satisfaction survey right here. Yeah? Good? 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 Getting your money's worth? Edwin? You getting your money's worth? Yeah?
What we favored?
Huh?
For
The class so far. You learning stuff? Yeah? Good. All right. Maybe people don't. Everybody doesn't know that phrase, getting your money's